Question number 25. A sound wave is detected by a microphone displayed on the screen of a CRT. Okay, it's given here. The trace is shown. The frequency of the wave is 2.5 kilohertz. When frequency is given and CRO problem is asked, then what you should do? You have to find out the time period. Time period will be equal to 1.2.5 kilohertz, which should now be how much will this be? Let us do this value. 2.5 kilohertz is 2500, right? Take the reciprocal of this, which will be 0.1234, right? 1234, which should be 0.1234 seconds over here. Okay, what is the setting of the time base of the CRO? Setting of the time base on the CRO. So this should be 0.4 millisecond. 0.4 millisecond should be the time base. 0.4 millisecond is one time period, right? So which means starting from here to here it is 0.4. So time base refers to each small square here per centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each one, so this total thing is seen to be 0.4. This one should be equal to 0.1, right? So this should be 0.1 millisecond per centimeter. 0.1 millisecond per centimeter. Answer is E.